For many years, Samsung has been the clear industry leader for foldable phones, continuously improving its flagship models. But it's clear that there is room for some significant improvements as businesses like Huawei and OnePlus step up their game, especially in the wake of the lackluster Galaxy Z Fold 6. Thankfully, Samsung could be able to exceed expectations with the Galaxy Z Fold 7. According to recent rumors, the new foldable may finally bring about the type of improvement that we've all been hoping for and perhaps even recover the top spot among foldable phones. What is allegedly available with the Galaxy Z Fold 7? Its features include a 200-megapixel primary camera, an 8-inch internal display, a 6.5-inch cover screen, a Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the One UI 8 operating system, a stronger display, a smaller crease, an upgraded under-display camera, a larger vapor chamber, better speakers and vibration motors, and, most importantly, better resistance to dust and water. The device is 4.5mm thick when fully extended. Some of these improvements, such as the very powerful 200-megapixel camera and the bigger internal screen, appear obvious. The camera increase is significant, literally. It may make the Z Fold 7 feel more like a Galaxy S25 Ultra if that's what you desire. Additionally, One UI 8 is meant to be pre-installed on Android 16. After the wild ride that was One UI 7, Samsung has to make sure that One UI 8 is ready for delivery. More details will be available to us at Google I/O in May, but we are hopeful that they have learned from their mistakes. There may also be a considerable decrease increasing with the foldable screen, which has been a major topic of contention in the past. At MUC 2025, we got a sneak peek at a screen that was almost wrinkle-free. Additionally, that tech can be a game share if it appears in the Fold 7. The Z Fold 6 didn't really deserve its increased price tag. Additionally, Samsung must ensure that the Z Fold 7 is worth the upgrade for those of us considering it, since the US tariffs may drive up the price even more. We'll probably learn more about it in July when Samsung is anticipated to debut the Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 if the timeline holds true from the previous year. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.